Sure, another video again. This video I'm now showing you how to make a trap beat. I'm just giving you an idea on how to make a trap, like showing you steps. So let's hit it and let's make that beat. Empty project. So you have to go to 135. You at 135. What you do is you go to your channel rack, and then you insert a melody. We have to make it fast. Remember. Let's go with Sakura. Sakura. Uh, Sakura. Sakura. Oh, doesn't doesn't add up. Let's just pick random melodies. So that's it. Just pick it fast. After picking a melody, now we go into the drums. I'm just giving you an idea. We're making a tribute from scratch, so that you can have that idea. Most importantly, what you have to remember are the drums. Let's go to the drums. Let me pick the clap. When you have picked the clap, you go to C5 and then you put it here on this. Remember, this is the first bar until the third bar, and the tempo is 135. So on C5, you put it in the clap on the middle like that. Then same here. Now we are going to take a head. Let's take this one. You right click and then you say fill each two steps. It's like that. That what we do is that we go for a kick. Any kick is fine for now. Now we go for an open head. Any open head is fine. Let's choose a chant. A chant. I think a chant will do. we have to do like one, put it, or you can just say type L, and then you type one. After typing one, it's on a mixer here, appears on the mixer. Then you can start editing your melody. So there you have it. That's your trap beat from scratch. You have an idea now. So please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment. Please, thank you for watching.